Hello, welcome to this video. Here we'll learn about sets. Basically, a set is an unordered collection of unique, immutable elements. Unique means it does not allow duplicate in it. Immutable means we cannot make changes in the elements of sets. And normally sets are defined by using curly braces and values are separated by comma. So now we'll see demo how set demo.py. So suppose S1 is equal to open close curly braces. Basically, we cannot create set like this using open close curly braces. Even you create it, it will allow it, but it is used for dictionary. Sets are created using a set function and open close curly bracket, so open close parenthesis. And if you print this S1, I will save it and run the program. So it will give set like this. Okay. Now suppose I want to create a set S2 with some value. So S2 is equal to in opening and closing bracket. I will put some values, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So these are the values. And if I print it, print S2. Okay, I will save it and I run this program. So it will give 1 2 3 4 in curly braces. Now as I said, we cannot, these are unordered. Unordered means we cannot use index. Print S2 of, suppose if I try to print 0, S2 of 0, that means in normal case I should get 1, that is 0th element. So if I run this program, it will fire error. That means set object is not suscriptable. That means we cannot use index in this case. Okay, so sets are unordered. That means they are not stored in a proper location. Index is not allowed. Similarly, set can be created from list. Suppose set from list. Suppose I create a list L1. List is given in square bracket L1, which could be number, comma, string. Suppose if I type Python character, single character or multiple characters, and decimal point or floating point number. So S3 is equal to, using set function, we pass L1 as a argument to set, and if I print this S3 and run this program, so it will give create a S3, that is a combination. Now if you observe that it is C is coming first, 1 2 3 Python 14.5, in any order it is printing. We have given actually 1 2 3 in first, Python second, but it does not follow same order because it is unordered. Understood? If you run again, now it is giving some different order. So if you run it n number of times, it will keep on giving me different combination. That is why it is unordered collection. Set is unordered collection. Similarly, set can be created from string. So for example, set from string, I'll create string str1 is equal to, suppose if I create string vcet. Okay, so from string 1 I'll create set s4 is equal to, using set function, and to which I will pass str1 as a parameter. So I will print this s4. So when I save it and run this program, so it will create. Now check, this is unordered. If I run it again, it will use some different combination. Suppose I'll create one more string str2. is equal to banana. So just observe this, and I will create S5. Set S5 is equal to set of str2. And when I print this S5, check the output. Now check it. In the string, we are having BANANA 6 letters, but actually in the set we have only A, B, N. Because thing is that sets are has a property that it removes duplicate, so duplicate letters get removed automatically. Even you try to create a set with duplicate letters, it will letters, values, anything, it will get removed. For example, one more example, suppose I create a set as 6 is equal to, in curly bracket, if I create 0 comma 12 comma 123 comma, I'll pass string VCAT. Then I pass a value false. Now I will save it, and if I print this as 6, save it and run it. Now just check it. In this I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 elements, but in the output it created only 1, 2, 3, 4, because 0 and false has same values. False is considered as a 0 and 0 is already there, so one of the value will be considered, one of the element will be considered. So false and 0 has same value, that's why one is considered as duplicate and it will get removed. Similarly, it applies for true also as well.